So my problem was like this. My office is fairly large, and what that I did is I bought acoustic padding and I put it up on the wall. That wasn't enough. So here is the final solution. And it is this. I bought this from Walmart for about $20 a while back, so I'll have something to put my feet on. Last week, I ordered these, so I'll have a bit more protection in the office. And what I've noticed, that these fit beautifully into this dome. So instead of padding up the entire office, I just padded this up. And now it is the best recording booth ever. It sounds amazing, and I could finally record sound without having a lot of interference. So I hope you enjoy my next videos, and we'll see you there. Have a good day.